Sir, rule 234.
I'll go back, I am calling them. If you are, they are not shouting, so I called him. If you are not shouting, I am going to call him. Then if you are shouting, I am not going to call you.
Sir, rule 235, sub-clause 2. While the council is sitting, a member, sub-clause 2, shall not interrupt any member while speaking by disorderly expression or noise or in any manner, disorderly manner. और सर लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन खड़गे साहब के लिए मैं ये रूल पढ़ रहा हूँ. रूल 24 फॉर द लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन खड़गे जी. This is about irrelevance of reputation. The chairman, after having called the attention of the council to the conduct of a member who persists in irrelevance or in tedious repetition, either of his own arguments or of the arguments used by other members in the debate, may direct him to discontinue his speech. हर दिन खड़गे जी खड़े होते हैं, जो लिख के लाते हैं सेम चीज पढ़ने लग जाता है. बार बार उसको आप मौका देते हैं चेयरमैन सर, और खड़गे साहब सेम चीज बोलते हैं. ये रेपुटेशन है और ये रूल हमारे लीडर ऑपोजिशन के लिए. और सर कांग्रेस के ये नए सदस्य आए हैं, इनके नाम है पवन खेड़ा. इनको अभी मैडम स्पीच भी नहीं हुआ. अभी मैडम स्पीच भी नहीं हुआ.
Shouting.
और रूल पहले रूल पढ़ना चाहिए.
You cannot.
होना चाहिए. और भाई जी को अपने सदस्य को समझाइए.
So if you are shouting, I am not going to call you. Okay, you do what you like. Dr. K.
धन्यवाद.
Unless you go back to your seat, I am not going to call him.
धन्यवाद
I am calling
सभापति
you, please
महोदय.
go back to seat.
मैं आज इस सदन के माध्यम से देश भर
Let
के
him complete
करोड़ों
that call.
बंजारा समाज की बातों के
Let him complete
जुड़े
it.
एक महत्वपूर्ण विषय को उठाना चाहता हूँ.
You cannot run the house.
संत
You should not. You cannot run the house. You cannot
आध्यात्मिक
dictate the best for the chair.
और मानवता के उपासक थे. उन्होंने अपना समर्पण जीवन गरीबों,
After his speech,
दलित, आदिवासी और बंजारों के हित के लिए जीवन समर्पित किया.
Nobody has the right
उन्होंने
to instruct
सत्य
the
सेवा,
chair. I will tell you if they are going back and sitting in their seat
संरक्षण
and
का
call.
संदेश दिया था. उनकी शिक्षा आज भी तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र और देशों के अनेक उन्होंने समाज, जाति और क्षेत्र के ऊपर उठकर एकता, नैतिकता, अनुशासन और राष्ट्र सेवा में जुड़ा हुआ है. इस महान संत सेवालाल महाराज का योग्य जो है सरकार के माध्यम से पूरा एक संदेश देना चाहते हैं. मोदी जी सरकार जिस तरह हमारे आदिवासी बिरसा मुंडा जी का जनजातीय गौरव दिन मनाकर आदिवासियों का जो सम्मान दिया गया, उसी तरह हमारे बंजारा समाज के जो नेता है संत सेवालाल महाराज का. Therefore, I request the government to declare the birth anniversary of Sant Sevalal Maharaj as a national holiday, organize nationwide commemorative program to spread his teachings among the younger generations. क्योंकि वो पर्यावरण प्रेमी थे और जानवर प्रेमी थे, और ये महान आज के युवाओं को किस तरह प्रेरणादायक है. इसलिए I request the government to see that to promote research, publications and education institutions on his life and philosophy, and consider issuing a commemorative postage stamp and memorial initiative in this honor. So I request to this house, the government, to see that Sant Sevalal Maharaj birth anniversary has been declared as national level, and which will be a tribute not only to the great saint but also to the values of social justice, unity and service that strengthens our nation. Thank you, Chairman sir.
Now, Tiruchi Shivaji, under what rule you want to rise?
258.
Under what rule you want to rise?
258.
258. 258. एक मिनट. So this is only a procedure, Shivaji. This is only a procedure. You give a notice, proper notice. I will call you on that subject. Please take your seat.
Sir.
You give a notice.
I give a notice. I already given.
267.
I already given.
We can. You can raise your.
I have given it, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I given today. Sir.
This way you cannot force the chair. I have called him so many times. I am going to call him. But if you are shouting, I am not going to call. If you are shouting and you are not going back to your seat, I am not going to call. I called him so many times, not one time. I called him more than 15 times. But you should go back. This is not the way. You go back to your seat, I will call him. You can stand and shout, I am not going to call. Very clear. You can give any notice. I will give you the chance. And now, leader of the opposition.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. आपने मुझे बोलने के लिए